Another way to keep yourself poised and in control is to love your guest. I know it's easier said than done, but love your guests, guys. Focus on their experience. I am a guest provider, a service provider. I make my guests happy. I take pride of making my guests happy, which, by the way, is just the right, that's how I talk to myself. I take pride of making every guest that sits on my station happy. That makes me much more confident, that makes me much more poised, much more professional, and I can remain calm even in difficult situations. But focus on the guests and their experience, and like, oh man, I don't want to screw this up because I'm right here in front of the guests. I don't want to screw their evening. I love my guests. I want to give the best service they could possibly have. I want them to love me back, and I want them to come back to the restaurant and ask for me, for my service, for my presentation. And that's how you help yourself stay poised, stay in control as well. Here at the Waitress Academy, we are committed to providing comprehensive professional training that puts waiters on the top 10% of our industry and helps small family-owned restaurants to compete with multi-million-dollar chains by providing excellent, top quality service for their guests.